Hey guys, welcome back to my, ooh, that was close. Start this over.
He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Placide, and today I will be showing you how to get this sleek look. This look could be for, I usually do my sleek bun for military purposes when I'm in my uniform. So this is how I slay and lay. But if you want to just wear this as, you know, to perform events or just because you want to learn how to put your hair in a bun, that's fine. Just keep watching and make sure you click the bell so you could be notified anytime I post. Like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching. Oh, also comment down below if you'd like to see this tutorial for this makeup look. Just let me know. Bye.
Okay, we're gonna start off with dry hair. It was previously in a bun. Oh wow, I look crazy. Okay, I don't know what part I want to do. I could do left, I could do either right, middle, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go with the middle part. That's just easier. I'm gonna start off by making a section in the back of my hair so I can put it in a ponytail in the back. I'm gonna part that, put the rest at the top in a ponytail. A messy ponytail, it don't matter. Now you're gonna get you a little spray bottle with a little water, spray down your hair just to make it a little manageable because it was dry. Next, I'm going to spray the Alpha G Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. Adds lightweight moisture, improves body and shine, and protects against heat. Next, I'm going to be using the Eco Styler Gel, Olive Oil, Max Hold of 10. You're going to want to just grab you a big old glob and slap it on your ponytail to make it lay and be even all around. And do not, I repeat, do not forget your kitchen. You want that to lay down the most so it can look professional and neat. After that, I grab me my hard bristle brush. Just brush that. I'll turn around and show you guys. When I'm brushing, make sure it's even, no knots. And you're going to want to do this until it's smooth. You can grab any type of brush, it doesn't matter, depending on your hair type and your preference. Grab you a scrunchie. I got me a Goody scrunchie from Walmart. And you're going to make that as tight as possible without hurting yourself or your hair. That is one ponytail down with more to go. And you're just going to repeat the process. Section off a section, medium size. The parting doesn't matter. You won't be able to see it because it'll all be slicked down in the ponytail. And as for the part you are not using, just section that off at the top. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be neat. It's just so it could be out the way. Grab your water bottle again. Spray off that section and make it manageable. Then grab the Alpha G leave-in conditioner. Spray your hair from top to bottom. Get as much gel as you feel like you need to lay down your hair. Get your brush, start laying it down and forming it around the first ponytail you made. Get your scrunchie and start making it even, smoothing it out with your hands, and connect that first ponytail with your second ponytail. 2 down, 1 more to go. Y'all don't pay attention to me right here, but my hair was laying, slick. Now, to lay down the front of my hair is the Got To Be Glue Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. Go ahead, get you a big old glob of that. I grab a headband, double it up to put all my hair in one ponytail. This part is very important. You want to make sure you smooth down everything. And when I say smooth, I mean smooth. Gonna take that headband, because Lord knows the scrunchie will not work, and connect the other two ponytails that you made into one all together. And yes, I felt like I accomplished something. Now I'm gonna take the Got To Be Glue gel and do my edges. I use a toothbrush for my edges. Yes, it is clean. Just to make sure everybody knows, use a clean toothbrush for this, not the one you use on your teeth. For once, my edges was cooperating and I was just surprised. If you have any pieces that need a little bit of swing, get you a couple bobby pins to make sure that they are laying down. You're going to need to tie down your hair for 10 to 15 minutes to make sure there are no flyaways and to make this look worthwhile. I made a sock bun, but if you would like to purchase a bun, they have buns at Walmart, Target, and your local Sally Beauty Supply store. Somehow I managed to get my hair through that bun, but I did it. I grabbed my hard brush and tried to lay down my hair around the bun to make it as even as possible. Then I get my scrunchie to start forming my bun. You're gonna need more than one scrunchie, just in case y'all didn't know. After your bun starts coming together, what I do is tuck in the ends, going around the bun. And that is it for my low sleek bun tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions about my natural hair or any hairstyles that you guys would like to see, just comment them down below.